9,000 milliamp hour battery inside an 8mm body, a 185Hz refresh rate screen. Redmi just officially announced the new K100 Pro and K100 Pro Max in China, and Xiaomi is no longer just playing the flagship killer game. They're rewriting the rules of what fits inside a smartphone. Both smartphones come with Qualcomm's flagship processor, high refresh rate OLED displays, large batteries, and 200 megapixel main cameras. The Redmi K100 Pro is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 V series chipset, which has one less GPU for storage and a 5,150 square millimeter ice-cooled circulating pump for heat management. It also has the company's in-house D2 discrete graphics and T1 Plus signal booster chip. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the raw specs, the hidden performance compromises, and whether the Max model is actually worth the extra cash. Welcome back to Teletech. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk screens. The standard Pro model features a 6.59-inch OLED flat display with a 2510-1156 resolution. The panel supports a 185Hz refresh rate and uses M11 luminescent material. It reaches up to 2,200 nits of full screen brightness and supports full brightness DC dimming. The camera specs on the Redmi K100 Pro include a 32-megapixel selfie unit. The back has a 200-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. Keeping everything powered on the standard Pro is an 8,580 mAh Jinshijiang battery with 26% silicon content and energy density of 945 Wh/hours. It supports 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The phone also supports 27-watt wired reverse charging and 22.5-watt wireless reverse charging. The Redmi K100 Pro is 8.55 millimeters thick and weighs 218 grams. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, shimmering light, and Cabernet Sauvignon red. Other features include ultrasonic fingerprint recognition, IP66, IP68, and IP69 dust and water resistance, and Xiaomi's HyperOS 3.0. Redmi K100 Pro Max gets bigger display and battery. The Redmi K100 Pro Max has the full-core Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, while it uses the same LPR5X memory and UFS 4.1 storage as the standard Pro model. However, Xiaomi has increased the size of its ice-sealed circulating cooling pump to 6,300 square millimeter. The Pro Max also gets a larger 6.9-inch OLED flat display with a 2608-1200 resolution. Like the Pro model, it supports a 185Hz refresh rate and uses M11 luminescent material. The camera system has also received an upgrade. The Redmi K100 Pro Max features a 200-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The phone packs a larger 9,007 mAh battery with 16% silicon content. It supports the same 100 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging, 27 watts wired reverse charging, and 22.5 watts wireless reverse charging as the Redmi K100 Pro. Despite the larger battery and display, the Pro Max is 8.45 millimeters thick and weighs 238 grams. It uses a glass fiber back cover and comes in black, gold, blue, and red color options. The Pro Max also gets several connectivity and audio upgrades. It features a USB 3.2 Gen 1 interface and a 2.1 channel speaker system made up of dual 1150D master-level speakers and Deco 2016 tablet-level speakers. Like the standard model, the Redmi K100 Pro Max features an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, IP68, IP69 protection, and HyperOS 3.0. At under $600 for the base Pro model, you're getting flagship power and a battery that will easily last 2 full days. Is this the ultimate flagship killer of the year? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Teletech for more deep dives. See you in the next one.